Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a Dixie Narco Pepsi Generation 501R vending machine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the prices for each selection on your machine. Alright, so as you can see, all of my prices are set to $1. If you press them, it's all $1. And what we're going to do is we're going to change that. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put it in service mode. Press this button in once, just like that. When you press that button, 3 dots are going to come across the display. Now you're going to go to the control board, and under System Setup, you're going to press this button here. You're going to see the letters HD when you press that button. Behind the core machine, you're going to see the numbering for the selections. Let's see, we got 1, then 2 on this side, 3, 4 on this side, 5, 6 on this side, 7 down here, and 8 on this side. All right. So that lets you know the numbering for the selections on the front. All right. Now that HD is displayed, what you're going to do is you're going to press the 1 selection and the 2 selection together and hold them down. All right, now it says SP, that's set price. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set the price for selection 2. It's $1 right now, and we're going to change it to $1.25. So what you do is press it once. It shows you it's $1. Now we're going to press it and hold it down until it goes to $1.25. And there you go. Now it's $1.25. Now let's say you want it to go back to $1. You press it 2 times. 1, 2. And there you go. It goes right back down to $1. So let's try that again. Hold it down once. It goes up. 125. Press it once. Then 2 times, hold it down, and then it goes down to $1. So you have 8 selections. Let's say you want all of these selections to be the same price. All right. So let's check the price. Number 1 is $105. Number 2 is $1. Number 3 is $1. All right. Now let's say you want all of them to be $125. What you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the first one, put it to $125. There you go. It's set to $125. And then you have 3 and 4. You're going to press and hold them down. All right, so what I just did was I held down the 3 and the number 4 selection for 15 seconds. All right, so now everything on here should be $125. $125. $125. $125. $125. $125. $125. $125. And the last one, $125. So that's how you set the prices of each one individually or all of them together. All right. To get out of this mode, all you have to do is pull this out. Now it's ready. And that's it, guys. That's how you set all of your selections to $125 or whatever price you want them to be, or how to select one price for each one totally different. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D and I'm out. Hey guys, and if you're into graphic tees, hoodies, or sweatshirts. Check out my store. All you have to do is click on the store tab in my YouTube. This is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.